Today we're going to do a RP. My name is Sajian Cheta. As you all know in my other videos, you're there, hello guys. Just who? Now I'm gonna get ready. Okay, time to do this. Let's switch to their perspective. Wait. It's so hard because I only. Okay, let's just start it. I just have to showcase things. This one was Don't forget about this guy. Okay, now we're gonna start. Okay. Today, well, sorry. Okay. Okay, we're gonna start it. Now, this guy is just gonna run away through here. That's how generous he is. Okay, now to move. Okay, here. Okay, now this guy. Oh no, this guy gonna knock down this guy. Just wait. And then, okay, they called immediate forces. Now, this is the forces. You what? Okay, I'm just opening it. Here's the opening. Here's the opening. Gloria, sorry, I'll just get them off. Sorry, I paused it at the wrong time. Okay, here is it. I'm just gonna wait. Oh, I did it wrong. And then now the helicopter's going to where it originally was. And then, now, okay, I'm so sorry that I haven't said anything for like 3 minutes or 3 seconds. Why am I so dumb? Okay, we're gonna swoosh to the other side. Whoosh. Sorry. Now we're gonna watch this thing go out. It's hiding. Okay, watch this thing. And then it will just, and then it will move somewhere. It will move here, and then it, boom, and then it'll hit these. Okay, that's it. Now, this guy's gonna rocket launcher this that causes to do that, and then kills multiple people. Oh wait. There. Multiple people. Switch to this side again. Okay, this guy moves. And then kills this guy. Oh. Oh, I accidentally killed that guy. Okay, now switch to that other one. Okay, time. Okay, this thing is gonna try to bomb. It's gonna try to bomb. Oh, I'm killing multiple people on the way. Okay, now we're gonna and then so the guys just bombed and someone shot in the air. I didn't think you saw it, but I did it. as like I said, I was killing multiple people on my way here. Okay. Time time. Oh. Oh. Okay, these guys are going next. And then this guy is gonna move to kill the rocket launcher guy. And then here, but also rocket launcher shoots but ends up killing his other teammate next to him. So okay, now this airplane is gonna launch. Oh wait, it's gonna launch. Just wait. It's gonna launch bombs and then crashes. So next one, this guy's calling in reinforcements, and they got this thing. And then you know what this does? Just wait. It does this. It shouted out another teammate. Now the teammate is gonna kill someone. And then the bullet goes all the way over here. And then a grenade guy is gonna throw a grenade and then kills these two people. And then this thing is gonna try to kill them too. Gonna use the bombs again and then kill some people, but sadly he crashes. Okay, sorry, I was just scratching my head. Next one, these guys. Now this car is gonna fly and run into them. Okay, I'm still scratching. This thing has flown over here, but it was right there. So it's gonna shoot and then kills. Oh! I dropped my phone. But that counts as this thing bombing. So and then kills again. And then just wait. And then there's another tank that will kill it. But the tank didn't know it would kill also him. Here, go to the other one. This tank has moved here. Now it's gonna kill the police truck that is gonna explode towards the other people. And also kill the other ones. But didn't know that there was a flying sword behind them. Goodbye. And then go back to his owner. Okay, other one. This guy doesn't know what to do and gets shot. But luckily, one survived. One came here and shot the person who killed him. Okay, now also he got shot. Now let's go. I remember getting something mysterious. Oh. Something mysterious flies over these guys. Now I'm just gonna skip. Okay, there. These guys are dead now. time for those other ones. Another monster sweeps in and kills them. So the robot kills everything. But they don't. Okay, this guy gets the flag while the other partners are dead and tells the surviving partners he did it. Okay, this is his surviving friends, and then he says, "We did it, boys." And then the other friends say, "Finally, our people are dead because of that sweeping. And I think our rocket launcher is still alive. So let's go to him. And let's kill the ones that survived." Wait, no. The other ones are swooping in. Oh no! Oh no! It killed them all. Now what are we gonna do? Well, there's still some survivors, so we're gonna put this here. We're done. Okay, now we're just gonna kill the other ones. Oh, you guys saved some more people? Yeah, we did. Okay. No, we did it. Now we have to raise another army. Okay. Now that would be cool. Let's see. So we have to. Do we have to do it? Do it? Do we really have to do it? Yeah, we do. Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed and see you next time. Goodbye.